authority plans are, I'm going to share them with her, and she's going to...
I don't think it's finding out, but I think it's important. There are 3 police officers here from the team that's investigating your brother's murder. They tell me that all they are prepared to say at this stage is that they are pursuing every line of inquiry they can, including the allegation that you make that is involved in this. Okay? Based on that information, the local authority's view is that the safest place for children to remain is in foster care until we know more about what lies behind it. The local authority's view is that the safest place for the children to be is in foster care until the police can tell the court and tell us more information about what they think may be behind this.
Okay. One minute. We have psychological, emotional abuse of my children over a 2-year, possibly 3-year period. As a result, I'm not open up in the belief. It's all emails to social services. We have letters being wrote to the IPCC, 17 members of the police authority in relation to concerns for the family in relation to psychological condition, and her association to extremely violent criminal gangs of men. And the evidence for my case in terms of her mental health is all here, it's all documented, not from just me. Police and detail logs, all you have to do is just cross-reference everything. And you can see it, there's a pattern emerging. But what does really, clearly you can see, is the build-up to a murder. You can see, because she's been allowed to believe in her mind, that there will be nothing that will happen to her in terms of being brought up with those criminal offences that she's committed, like making a statement, then retracting the statement. What we have is a person who then goes into burning shops. And now, okay, if I can just finish off, I don't mean to take too much of your time. My position is this: you've already done enough damage as an institution in terms of my brother's death, my daughter's psychological emotional conditions. I've now found out the other day that the children are torn away from the mother in whatever circumstances they were. There could have been a much easier way of doing that, which I suggested, I think, a year ago, or possibly 18 months ago, when Mum should have been arrested for the text messages. When I said, I suggest, this is to the emails to social services, I suggest that when Mum is arrested, measures are put in place where somebody goes to the school and takes the children from the school, because if Mum turns up, there will be, what I believe is the psychotic behaviour will come out, and you'll see it. As you may attack the teachers or whatever. What the local authority have done here is they've just gone in, took the children, subjected the children to even more abuse by watching the mother behaving whatever behaviour occurred when they take it from them. And now what the local authority is suggesting is that my children stay in care. You're suggesting, after everything that's gone on, that you now want to put my children in care. I'd like to know from you, what is it? Just give me the one, just one reason.
Risk.
Why my children can't come with me.
Risk.
Sorry?
Risk.
What risk?
Risk of emotional harm, risk of physical harm.
Emotional harm?
Yeah.
Where's the emotional harm?
Risk.
Where's the risk?
Where's the
What I'm beginning to pick up is every attempt to protect the failures. That's what I'm picking up. By trying to justify subjecting my children to even more abuse, by now being put in foster care with people that they don't know.
Well, what I will be saying to the judge is that that is the safest place for them.
So that you'll be saying what?
I will be saying that that is the safest place for them until we know more about
That's the safest.
your... Alright, so I thought it was important that you heard that before you went into court so that you can consider it. thought it was important that you heard that before we went into court so that you have the opportunity to consider what you want to say. Right?
This is my position.
I know what your position is.
You've all assisted in encouraging a woman to kill my brother, and now you took my children from me. That's my position. That'll be my position with the criminal investigation, that'll be my position with my MP and everybody else. How you have the audacity to sit there after I've lost my brother for this, and you say to me that you want to take my children into care, permanently, basically, to protect your own purpose?
I'm not saying.
Because let's have it right. Merseyside Police have got major problems with this case, haven't they? Because these retraction statements from actually highlighting their own mental health issues. There are countless emails and letters to MPs and the IPC and the Merseyside Police regarding the safety of my family due to health behaviour. So the police have got problems with this case. But what they can't get away from is the fact that the trace evidence leads to, I think, 20 yards away from the door, I think, where the second car is now being picked up. Other than colour me skin, just give me one reason why my children can't be with me. Sorry?
I've tried to do that, and I appreciate you don't accept my analysis, and you don't have to.
There is no risk. What risk? My brother shot on 19th of November, shot dead, the day the trial was due to begin. Does that not start putting radars up and people take a bit of notice when he put a statement in 3 days before?
Well, that's...
Then you've got the circumstance level.
Of course, as I'm saying, means that there is a potential for risk if they were in your care.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear it. I'm sorry.
That tragic event is one of the reasons why I'm saying there is an elevated risk if the children were in your care.
In my care? Well, the easiest way round is to solve the problem. The easiest way is just arrest her. Put her in custody, like she should have been done from the text messages, which equate to threats to kill.
You appreciate that that's not something that is up to me.
That's not within the power of anybody sitting around this table, is it?
Sorry. Okay. The text messages are there.
Yeah.
They're in Crown prosecution possession now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, they relate to threats to kill,
Yeah.
demanding money by men. So she should be in custody for the text messages from 2 years ago.
That's not something,
Again,
though,
that's-
that any one of the
again-
people involved in the family proceedings has any control over.
My brother is dead
Yeah.
because she wasn't put in custody, or she wasn't made to understand that when you commit criminal offences, you get arrested. She's now being allowed and encouraged to carry on as long as it was targeted, and everything could be done, like deleting text messages, making false allegations of being in gun and chemo, move that closing log down, carry on going towards, no problem, burn the shop down, don't investigate, so target, don't know where you live. You are the people in the position to do something about this. I am not.
Me